Hi YouTube, my name's Celestine and I'm starting a 40 before 40 challenge this year. I've decided to change my life for the better, make a few changes which include being more financially stable, being healthier, and most importantly being happier. How I'm going to do that is by setting myself a few challenges. So I'm currently 36 and in 4 years I'll be 40. So I've set up this 40 before 40 challenge, which is basically 40 things that I have to achieve before I'm 40. So one of the first challenges on the list is actually to start my own YouTube channel. So hence the reason why I'm recording this video today. It's not the perfect lighting, it's not the perfect setting, but I just have to get started. So I'm doing it. Here we go. Might be good, might be bad, but it's me. It's honest. It's what I need to do. So I'm doing it. So the 40 by 40 challenge, I've got 4 years to achieve these goals. Seems like a long time, but actually we're in February already, 2020, and time goes really, really quickly. So my name's Celestine. I live in London, been in London most of my life, come from a humble background. For the majority of my teenage and adult life, I grew up in a single parent household and things weren't easy. They were really tough. Not having much money, not having many opportunities to go out and enjoy life and just be a bit happier with things. That's why I'm determined in the later stages of my life to actually make things as good as they can be and improve my financial situation. And that basically boils down to me making money online, because I've had a career for a while which I wasn't very happy in. So a few years ago I took the step to actually become self-employed, and that's just changed the game for me. I've learned so much, I've met so many interesting people, and so I want to use my time and opportunity here to share my knowledge and some of the things I've learned with you guys and help you to also make money online. So if this sounds of interest to you, then A, click on subscribe below, B, keep on watching, C, be ready for the change, because the information I'm going to give you is going to be information that you are going to be very excited by, because it's genuine information that's going to help you to become financially free and definitely make money online. You'll hear more from me very soon. Okay, so this was my first video. Hope you liked it. Comment below and let me know what kind of things you'd want to hear about, and I will obviously detail my 40 by 40 list as the time goes on. Okay, over and out.